Welcome to I Miracles Affirmations. This video is being made to send powerful healing energy to your eyes. Find a comfortable position, or you can lie down if you like, and take a slow, deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Let go of any tension. Close your eyes, and when you are ready, open them and repeat each affirmation after me, out loud or in your heart. Take a breath, relax, and begin. Keep your eyes closed through the session. Clear vision affirmations. My eyes are powerful and perfectly designed. My vision is clear, sharp, and getting stronger day by day. Every cell in my eye is alive and renewing right now. I see beauty in perfect detail. My eyes heal effortlessly as I sleep. Light flows perfectly through my eyes. I trust my body to restore my vision fully. My sight improves with every single breath. I see near, I see far, I see everything clearly. My eyes are young, vibrant, and full of life. My vision is a gift, and I honor it daily. Every day, my eyesight becomes more perfect. I am grateful for the miracle of my eye. The universe supports me. Perfect. The universe supports my perfect natural vision. My eyes are strong. My mind is calm. My vision is clear. Repeat, believe, and receive. Beautiful. You have just sent pure healing energy to your eyes. Your body heard every word. Your eyes are responding. Save this video and come back to it every day, morning or night, whenever you need a reset. The more you speak these words, the more your body believes them. If this video served you, share it with someone who needs it. And remember, your vision is healing. It is not broken, it is healing. It is becoming. See you in the next one. And please feel free to change the words around to whatever resonates with you, as I have done for myself. Thank you.